going to do today is learn the right way to use a seam ripper. You might think you already know how to use it. Some people like to go through and pick every third or fourth stitch and then pull it apart that way. More daring people will lead with the point underneath and the red dot on top. This red dot has a purpose. It's not just for you to look at. It actually prevents you from impaling your own fabric when you remove stitches. What you want to do is lead with this red dot underneath the stitches, and then you can just go like this, and you will not risk impaling your fabric and ripping it through to the other side the way you would if you were leading with the sharp point. See, we've been able to just make fast progress of that. Every so often you'll find that a bunch of pieces of thread will build up there, so you need to empty them out. But see how fast that goes? It's amazing. And then you have these pieces that you can just take apart. And there are no holes that are being made as we go along. You might have seen a different kind of seam ripper, one that has what looks like a honeycomb beehive type of thing on the top. And they advertise it as a way to erase the extra stitches. Well, that is a gimmick. It does not work. Save your money. But it got me thinking, why couldn't we just use a regular eraser? If you choose to take your stitches apart every third stitch or so, on the back side, you pull and you'll end up with a lot more small pieces of thread that you need to remove. But all you need to do is take one of those white erasers and just go like that, and it works like a charm. You've got plenty of those erasers or pencils around your house, no doubt, especially if you have kids who are using them for math class, and that can get those extra threads. However, my favorite is still red dot down, and that's how you do it. Thanks.